Hey there, Anna here from the For Real channel, bringing you another handy tutorial. Today, we will tackle something we all can relate to. Yes, those pesky iPhone alarms. You know, the ones that get us out of bed in the morning or help us avoid missing that early flight. But let's be honest, sometimes our alarm list gets a little out of hand, cluttered with so many alarms we can't even remember why we set half of them. Does this sound familiar? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. We will show you how to clean up that alarm list on your iPhone's clock app, making your mornings much smoother. First, we will tap into our friendly virtual assistant, Siri. Siri makes deleting alarms a breeze. Here's what you do. 1. Fire up Siri by holding down the standby button or the home button on your iPhone. 2. Throw this command at her. Hey Siri, please delete all alarms in the clock app. Just like that, Siri will ask you if you want to delete all your alarms. Confirm by saying yes. Now, if you have a hefty list of alarms, Siri might have a hiccup and not delete all of them in the first go. If that happens, just run through the process until your alarm list is all clear. But hey, before we move on to the next chapter, if you're enjoying the tips and tricks so far, let's make sure you're not missing out on any of our future videos. Smash that subscribe button, and remember to ring that bell so you won't sleep through our next updates. And hey, if you're finding this helpful, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment. We love hearing from you. Next up, let's look at how you can delete individual alarms on your iPhone. This could be handy if your alarm list isn't too long or if there's a specific alarm you want to get rid of. 1. Head over to the clock app. 2. Do a little swipe to the left on the alarm you wish to give the boot. 3. A red delete button will pop up. Just tap on that and farewell. It's an unwanted alarm. Alternatively, you can use the edit option in the clock app to remove alarms. Hit edit, tap on the minus sign next to the alarm, and then select delete. Now let's talk about something a little spooky, ghost alarms. These are those mysterious alarms that just won't disappear. If you face this issue, here's what you can do. Your first option is to check your sleep schedule in the Health app. Just follow these steps. 1. Open the Health app and head to the Sleep section. 2. Tap on your schedule and then edit. 3. Next, go into Full Schedule and select Edit again. 4. Scroll down to Alarm Options and toggle the alarm feature off. 5. Hit Done to finish making changes. Your second option. Give your iPhone a quick reset. Depending on your iPhone model, the method for a force restart can vary. But once you've done that, check if your ghost alarm has vanished. By controlling your alarms, you can avoid unnecessary clutter in your clock app and ensure a smoother start to your day. Remember, it's easy to set a new alarm when needed, so don't hesitate to clear out the old ones. That's all we have for today's tutorial. I hope you found these tips helpful. Now always remember, it's your life, your time, and your iPhone, so take charge and let's make every moment count. Until next time, this is Anna from the For Real channel signing off.